Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. I thought of making this video after reading a recent comment on our channel quoting directly. Also, what about employer of records? I think they meant employers of record, question mark. I've done prior videos on this, so we've done videos on so-called sponsored work permits and this notion of an employer of record. Long story short, look, as I've said in other videos, so-called sponsored work permits and employers of record, which is basically a company saying you work for that company when really, in fact, you do not. Yeah, that's illegal. We've done the videos on this. I've done the analysis on it. I would even argue it may rise to the level possibly of human trafficking, depending on your interpretation of emergency decrees pertaining to work in Thailand. And going back to the emergency decree of 2018 pertaining to work permits specifically. That said, you know, they use this phraseology, or sort of the ether of the internet uses this phraseology to make it sound like something more than it is. It's basically just saying you work for a company and getting work permit status when in fact you do not. Now, people then say, well, you know, what do you recommend? I recommend what I've always been recommending, what I used to stay here and what I used to end up being a citizen, putting myself on the path to citizenship here, which is small company setup and then maintenance of work permit and visa status via a small company, which that can be done legally. That's completely above board and can be done in such a way that it's not in violation of Thai law. But if you're claiming to be working at a company you don't actually work for, then yeah, that's illegal. It's pretty darn clear. It's immigration fraud.